Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Fadila Binti Hashim from Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahiyah, Kulim, Kedah. I will present my paperwork with the title Comparative Study on InnoSat Attitude Control using PI Delete, MPC Lead and MPCP Delete with noise effect. Here the authors involved in this research. The first is myself, Dr. Fadila Hashim, and then my friends Nur Hasrimin Muhammad Noor, Professor Madya Dr. Siti Mariam Sharun, Professor Dr. Muhammad Yusuf Masyur, and Miss Nur Hidayah Zainal. The slide shows the introduction. Okay, the left side shows the standard of CubeSat size. In this study, we use 3 units of CubeSat as a reference. The middle shows the external view of InnoSat and the right side shows a block diagram of CubeSat subsystem. The cost of small satellites for research has increased recently due to their size, design, development and power consumption. Consequently, it is rather inexpensive. Rapid technological advances have made it possible to build small satellites for daily use and study. Mini satellites fall into different categories, and these satellites are distinguished from one another by their size and weight. To encourage interest in satellite construction among Malaysian universities, the National Space Agency, Angkasa, developed the Innovative Satellite or InnoSat, a kind of nanosatellite. Methodology. Here on the left side are the equation or transfer function of 3 axes. That means roll, pitch and yaw, which can see from equation 1, 2 and 3. Equation 1, 2 and 3 will be converted to the form of equation 4 and 5. On the right side, this flowchart shows the step to design and simulate the controllers. The process starts with the design and development of InnoSat attitude controllers based on the state space approach. Then construct the MATLAB code for the simulation. Next, test the performance. If the performance is okay, then we can determine the best controller for InnoSat attitude. For perturbation, including noise, delay, varying gain, and disturbance can impact InnoSat system. In this research, only the measurement of noise is considered. The measurement of noise illustrates the noise sensors produced by ADCS. The cumulative first non-singleton dimension of normally distributed pseudo-random number will apply as noise. The values were generated from the normal distribution of pseudo-random number, which has a mean of 0.2 and a standard deviation of 0.0094. Therefore, to noise ratio, SNR is equal to the means of the signal divided by the standard deviation of the noise is equal to 21.2766. Figure 1 shows the simulation for measurement noise that was added to the InnoSat plant as part of the perturbation to simulate the active control method. Here, the slide shows 2 of the 3 controllers that were designed. These controllers are: the first controller is PI Delete controller, and the second controller is MPC Lead controller design that modified the controller by adding the lead controller in series with the MPC to produce a better control signal. The second one, to help MPC improve the system stability when internal and external disturbance influence the inner side. This slide shows the third controller. The controller is the MPC PD lead controller design. The lead controller was added in series with the PD component to create the MPC PD lead controller, which was based on the MPC lead controller. A shorter rising time for the system to reach ideal condition for the least amount of overshoot and the capacity to function as effectively as the feasibility of resuming regular operation in the event of any anticipated disturbance is an indicator of a strong controller performance. For result and discussion, this slide shows the rule exists. From finding here, the square wave input was used to study the effect of the presence of noise on the output response characteristic of the system to any changes to the specified minimum and maximum period. Figures 5 and 6 depict the output and zoom out output of role axis square response analysis using three types of controllers. That means PID lead, MPC lead, and MPC PD lead with noise effect. Figure 5 shows the output and errors for the outputs of each type of the controller used. Based on the observation, the maximum overshoot at the beginning has increased for all three controllers of the role axis. It is also indicated that there was an effect of noise presence all the time for the PID lead, MPC lead, and MPC lead controllers. This slide shows the result and discussion for the pitch axis. From finding here, figures 7 and 8 show the output and zoom out output of pitch axis square response analysis using three types of controllers with noise effect. Figure 8 presents the output and errors for the outputs of each type of controller used. Based on the observation, the maximum overshoot at the beginning has increased for all three controllers, and this figure also indicates that there was an effect of noise presence at all time of the controllers. Thus, the controllers failed in solving the noise problem. Figure 8 illustrates the zoom out output of the role axis square response analysis using three types of controllers with noise effect. From the observation, it was found that at the beginning of the second positive cycle, MPC lead had the fastest rise time with a maximum overshoot as high as 25.28%, followed by MPC PD lead of 9.74%. It was also observed that there was an effect of noise at all times of the PID leads, MPC lead, and MPC PD lead controllers. Nevertheless, MPC-based controller could overcome the effect of the noise faster than PID lead controllers. It is summarized that MPC-based controllers significantly help in improving adaptability as shown in figure 6. This slide shows the result and discussion for your axis. From finding here, figure 8 and 10 shows the output and zoom output of Yaw exists square response analysis using three types of the controller with noise effect. Figure 10 presents the output and errors for the output of each type of the controller used. Based on the observation, the maximum overshoot at the beginning has increased for all three controllers. It's also observed that the effect of noise presents at all times of the controllers. Nevertheless, MPC-based controllers could overcome the effect of noise faster than PID controllers. It is concluded that MPC-based controllers significantly help in improving adaptability as shown in Figure 10. Referring to the role pitch and yaw axis output response of mean square error with noise effect are shown in Table 1. The MPC lead controller had the smallest mean square error value after observing the roll axis. Nevertheless, for the pitch axis, the PID lead controller was the best, and for the yaw, the MPC lead was once again the most excellent. Finally, the MPC controller combined with the lead component had been successful in greatly lowering the mean square error for each of the three axes. The slide shows the conclusion. Three controllers, that means PID lead, MPC lead, and MPC PD lead controllers have been suggested for the satellite attitude control system based on the satellite dynamic model. The output response of the roll, pitch, and yaw axis are shown in Figure 5 through 10, and Table 1 contains the mean squared error values. Overall, it was determined that the MPC lead controller was the best of the suggested controller based on the output response characteristic of every evaluated controller. Additionally, it was noted that noise was constantly present in the controllers. However, MPC-based controllers were able to overcome the noise effect more quickly than PID lead controller. As indicated in Table 1, it can be concluded that an MPC-based controller greatly enhances adaptability. Another possible improvement for the simulation is the incorporation of the InnoSat design system into a graphical user interface or GUI that allows a list of instructions to be issued in the simulation at any time. Additionally, the GUI lets users see simulation output progress data and change the values of the simulation parameter. Here are the 13 references used in this study. And then here are the other 7 references used in this study. Thank you for your attention. That's all. Maybe somebody wants to ask the question.